Hello everyone. In this video I'm just going to show you the importance of weighing your ingredients rather than using the measuring cups. And why is that? I'm just going to show you everything and how to convert from cups to grams and so on. So let's get started with this Measuring 101 video. Okay, to get started I'm just going to start with flour. I have my measuring cup in here and I have two different brand measuring cups. Let's get started by this. I'm just going to take 1 cup of flour. Doesn't matter which kind of flour. I'm just going to show you the difference it makes. For example, the recipe asks for 100 grams of flour. Now imagine if you do this and scrape your measuring cup like that, okay, and rather than using it with a knife or a spatula. So let's see how much we get out of this. We got here 100 grams exactly. And 1 cup of flour is actually 120 grams. So that's the first difference. So 20 grams of difference. See how much it's gonna give change, or actually how it's gonna change the result. So let's try doing it with this brand cup. Some people shake it like that. That's also gonna make a difference. So let's scrape it like we did in the other one and see how much we get out of this. Here we got 115 grams. So 15 more actually grams, so that's also going to make a difference. And if you use a knife as well, it's going to make more difference. So if the recipe asks for 100 grams exactly of flour, you want to use the 100 grams measured by a weighting measure like a scale or something. But you don't want to use the cups because as you can see we have 20 grams of difference, and that's gonna change your result of cake. Sometimes if the recipe asks for like 100 grams and you put 120 grams in the recipe, it's gonna make your batter thicker actually. It's gonna give a denser result. So sometimes you ask, why does my cake look like that? Because you used those cups, you didn't use the weight. And actually the weight is the most exact way of using your ingredients. So we're gonna continue by this video. Okay, now a good idea to also show you the importance of this. I have weighted exactly 100 grams of flour. I'm just going to put it in a cup, like backwards as we did before. And I'm just going to show you the difference it's going to make. And as you know, 1 cup of flour is 120 grams. So let's see how much this amount gives us in this cup. So I'm just going to use this spoon to fill in my measuring cup. Okay, we're almost done. As you can see, it's given us a full cup, as if 1 cup was 100 grams, but that's wrong. One cup is 120 grams. So as you can see, this measuring cup is absolutely giving us a wrong result. That's why I stress so much to use it. Okay, let's move now to nuts. Let's say the recipe asks for 500 grams of nuts. I know that's a lot, but I'm just saying 500 grams of nuts. Now if you fill a cup like this one, it's gonna give you, I'm just gonna show you. Like in the market there's a lot of different shapes to this. There's hearts, sometimes like, I don't know, weird shapes, stars, anything. So if you fill a star looking measuring cup, it's gonna give you a different result from this one. Because if you, I'm just gonna show you how. If you fill this cup like that, that's 1 cup of almonds, it's gonna give you about 130 grams. Now if you put it in like a heart shape, it's gonna give you less, because the less space it's gonna fit in the almonds. They won't have such space to fit in, so it might be like 110 grams. So if you're using the scale, it's gonna give you exactly what the recipe asks for, and that's what makes the difference in the end result. If you have anything dense or it's stuff or anything, any results that are problems actually, or negative stuff, that's why you're not using, because you're using those measuring cups and not using the scale. And to convert other ingredients, you just go down to the description box down below and see a link of me linking a website that converts butter, sugar, anything you want, from pounds to ounces, from ounces to grams, from anything, from kilograms to ounces, or anything you want. So I'm just gonna link it down below, and trust me, if you're using a scale in your kitchen, which is not that expensive, like I think I got this for like $10, and it's very, very good to have. I swear you're gonna get better results, because like imagine using 20 more grams of anything. That's gonna ruin your recipe, and baking is science, so anything is exact. It's better using it than anything is used with those cups. So those cups are yeah, for me, I don't really use them that much as I use scales, because scales will give me a better result in the end of the day. And if you're willing to use the cups and risk the results you're getting, feel free to use them. But for me, and I'm just gonna give you an advice, for every time baking, use a scale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment my videos. And if you have any questions, if you have any private questions, you can send it to my YouTube inbox at Desserts 101 channel. I hope you have a nice day.